nicely. Dispose of them.
With pleasure, miss. Fringo.
Death Eaters have attacked the ministry. Dolores Umbridge has escaped.
Arrest on the letter!
Umbridge has escaped.
She's after a time turner again. We need to get to the time room.
They can help us. We must stop Miss Umbridge.
Winky.
Death Eaters have attacked the
Oh my god! Oh my god, the ghost! Oh!
This time.
Oh my god! Oh! Wow! Oh, the ghost! Oh, whoa!
You filthy
Oh! Who are you calling a blood boy? Rude? Oh, hey, magical creatures!
Stop, Miss. Incredible.
Oh,
Now the time turner's fault. Finish.
Oh! An eruption! Oh my god! Oh! No, baby, no! No, nice eruption! Nice eruption! No! Oh, we got booty shaking! We got booty shaking! Oh!
Too late for that. What's
Hurry, get to the time room.
Let's get out of here before the lift explodes.
Now back to the time of Lord Voldemort.
No! No! No!
Time turner, Miss.
Nonsense. Repellent.
Look what you've done.
Yes. You're
Uh-oh! Oh, no! No, no, no!
Get out of here. We'll deal with that. I will.
Wow! Wow!
No. Now Higgledy has your
Oh my god! Whoa! What challenge time? Oh, okay.
Order! Order!
Oh
We
my
bring you a
god!
present, Minister.
Dolores Jane Umbridge, for your crimes you will spend the rest of your days in Azkaban.
It's an outrage.
Take her away!
You've done well, Higgledy. Dolores and this lot will move to Azkaban soon.
Where evil mistresses belong, Miss Granger. We all saved the ministry. Thank you, Phoebe.
Wow, that was amazing!
Will the Department of Magical
That was so good!
please report to the time
Oh, the vacuum cleaner.